Hey guys, good morning. So this is your friend Tiny Ray. For tomorrow, I'm gonna go to Philippines. I have flight tomorrow in the afternoon. So tonight, it's already 3 a.m. but I will do my luggage and all. So join with me, guys. Go pack with me to Philippines. So hope you can enjoy this vlog, guys. So join me this morning to do my luggage. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the luggage that we're gonna use, guys. I just bought it recently. Actually, this is not mine. Someone asked me to buy it and use it to go to the Philippines. So yeah, I'm gonna use another bag when I get back. Okay, so we have a little problem. I cannot open the bag. I don't know why, but it seems so hard for me to open the baggage. The luggage. Yeah, I don't know. It seems for me too hard to open my maleta. So this is me trying to open it up. Let's see if I can open it, but it really does took me a long time to open this bag. I'm not accustomed yet with Samsonite, so this is me being frustrated because it's already late at night and I'm still not done doing my luggage. Yeah, this is so me. So bear it with me, guys. Finally, I did open my luggage for how many minutes. Finally, it's open. So here I'm trying to put first my clothes, then some chocolates, and this I'm thinking if I wanna take the chocolate out from my bag and put it one by one, but then I decided to just stay it inside the bag and like make a knot of it, so when there's a movement in my luggage the chocolate is still intact. I think that's a good idea. And now I'm putting my other clothes. I'm not allowed to bring so much luggage or a lot of pasalubong or chocolate because I'm just allowed to bring 25 kilos. Actually, this luggage can accommodate like 30, yeah, 35 max. Depends on what you're gonna put inside, but I'm not gonna put so much since I'm allowed only 25 kilos. And so I will just bring few clothes. Okay, now that my blow dryer and my chocolates and the clothes are in place, I was thinking this one also we need to put this somewhere, and I was thinking to use this bag protection to like put on top of my stuff before I close it. Before I put a little knot there, so in case there's a movement in the luggage during my flight, it won't destroy, like it's still intact. We will minimize the movement inside my luggage. Now we're trying to put all the things, small things, pasalubong, a little chocolate, and all that could fit here. So we're gonna put it in here in this small bag so they will keep intact during my flight, and also they're still gonna be in good shape when I arrive to Philippines. Okay, so we're almost done here. We're just making it like put everything in place, so everything will be in good place. Yeah, this is the bag, some charger for my Mac, because I'm leaving behind my MacBook to my sis, so I bought a new one. My other charger's broken, so we're just mixing it out, feeling which place shall I put this and that, and we're almost done. Yep, and we're almost done for my luggage. The next one would be my hand carry thing. The hand carry thing would be much easier than this one. One down. So after I finish my luggage, we're gonna do my hand carry. This is the Maleta. This is the baggage that we're gonna use. So let's start. So basically guys, we have to put all these things, there's small things in my hand carry bag. My computer, my papers. I'm gonna need the papers in the airport, so I'm gonna put it in my hand carry. Yep, so let's get started.
Minutes later.
I'm really tired now guys, so I'm planning to just finish my packing with my hand carry because it's very easy. So I was thinking to do it tomorrow morning after I woke up. So guess I will buy a few more chocolates also to put in my hand carry. So I think it's good. Let's go now. Bye.
Pinatad ako ni Gisela.